Hey, it's Michael Williams here with Sprint 7. So for this sprint we had to get it so attractor mode worked, and then we got the HUD fully working with that, and then also, that includes also doing high schooler stuff as well, and having that all in a text file and displayed and updating and all that good stuff. So to accomplish this, I had the game controller kind of take over the whole. Since it's the game controller, it's going to take over switching between attract and player 1 mode and eventually player 2 mode, and then you do this set mode call, which then sends out the proper signals and stuff to the HUD and to the wave manager and like to the enemy factory and stuff like that to like clean everything up, and then basically spawn everything like properly based on waves, and then refresh when needed. The HUD text for the attractor mode, I basically have an attractor call and a player 1 call, and then I'll have a player 2 call. That way it puts up the proper text for each one. It's just a lot of repeated stuff just because you have to keep printing out those lines for like each high score. Still have the same start wave. I have a thing for attractor mode, which like I call this instead of your normal start. So this one is loops every time, like as needed for dying and stuff like that. So it keeps like starting from the first wave, which is what it looks like in attractor mode. So the way I handle the AI for the ship is basically I turn off the controls for the ship, and then I basically have this object that I turn on and off. Just basically control the ship based on like a set pattern, because that's what it looks like in the attractor mode. It moves in sort of like a diamond figure 8 pattern. So I kind of just have it loop through with alarms, and then it just goes like up left, up right, down left, down right, and kind of like goes back and forth and fires on a timer. And here's what it looks like. Yeah, I turned off sound for now. It's not quite as good as the real one, just because I can't slide along mushrooms. That wasn't like a super requirement, and it does make this easier. If you notice, I also made it so the mushroom field respawns. I couldn't find the sprite that I saw specifically for the actual. Yeah, I gotta really fix that thing with the Centipede. That's on my definite like priority list for next time. And then I hit enter, and then I am in game mode where I have lives and my score updates, and then my mushrooms respawn. And as I was saying though, the mushrooms, they don't have the proper smaller sprite. They just flicker to the poison state and like look and then back. I'm trying to die 3 times now. Also, wish I could get a high enough score to show the fact that my score thing does work. And it's kind of terrifying in the lag. Okay, that's like 42, 43, 40, whoa, mushrooms. Yeah, there we go, it's the last one. So, and then I stop it, and if I open this up, that is the wrong, and I go to Centipede, my scores, and it's updated here, and I save all here, and then I just need to add an ability to input little initials afterwards, and I'll be all finished up.